Today is the unboxing review of Black Clover Season 1 Part 5 DVD Blu-ray combo pack with an exclusive art book and an exclusive keychain as well. Now this is the final part of the Blu-ray DVD combo pack of Season 1 of Black Clover, and this time it actually has an exclusive art book that comes along with it. So here we go. And here it is. Black Clover Season 1 Part 5. And the front is magna and left, right, and left side. We have the Black Clover logo. And on the back, we see the screenshots of the episodes, which we have Asta, Kahano, and Vento. And on the back, right here on the side of the DVD, we got the art book. So, let's see what we actually have. Here we go. Can we see what the art book is? And here's the art book. They got the plastic cover. First, we have the Blu-ray DVD combo pack right here on the back, because the back has the paper for the art book. We'll open it up. And first we have the digital copy code, and here is the Blu-ray disc 1. We have episodes of 40 to 45, and on disc 2 we have episode 46 to 51, and the DVDs we have episode 40 to 46, and that's the disc 1, and disc 2 we have episodes 47 to 51. And on the art for the DVD cover, we have Asta and Noel seeing Kahano and Kato dancing and singing, as we can see during the underwater arc. And this actually is the DVD scene, well, actually the Blu-ray DVD arc of the underwater temple arc, by the way. Here we go. And also the art book that I actually have is right here. Black Clover art book. As we can see from season 1, we actually have first page, Asta and Yuno. And then throughout the pages, we see how the art book is actually quite impressive. And also along with the art book, I have an exclusive keychain of Magna, by the way. And here it is. You can tell that Magna is actually here, right here. The red background of it, and that is it. Now I'm actually enjoying the DVD combo pack of part 5, and I actually have to admit I actually have completed all 5 parts of season 1. Now I'm actually waiting for season 2 DVD and Blu-ray combo packs, and I cannot wait to see what they're actually going to be like. So yeah, I cannot wait for it as well. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment on what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Anime Guy 300 here saying signing out. Laters.